In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam ID username discussion. Before we begin, a quick clarification that will save you time. When most people say Steam ID, they often mean the name their friends see in chats, friends lists, and lobbies. That's your profile name, and you can change it anytime. Your actual Steam ID, the numeric identifier tied to your account, can't be changed, and your account login name is permanent as well. What we're updating here is your display name, also called your profile name. Start by opening the Steam client and logging in. Make sure you're in the regular desktop interface, not big picture mode, so everything looks as we describe. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your current profile name there. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose View Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where we'll make the change. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and click it. You'll land in the General section by default. Here, you'll find a field labeled Profile Name. This is the name that appears to your friends and in most community areas. Click inside that field, delete your current name, and type your new one. Steam allows letters, numbers, and symbols, so you have flexibility to personalize it. A quick tip, because this name is public, pick something clear and easy to recognize so your friends can find you quickly. Also, avoid anything that might violate Steam's community rules. When you're happy with your new name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. As soon as you save, your profile name updates across Steam almost instantly. If you don't see it change right away in a particular window, give it a moment or refresh that view. Your friends might need to reopen their friends list or chat to see the update on their end. A few practical notes to keep things smooth. You can change your profile name as often as you like, but frequent changes can confuse your friends, so consider sticking with something consistent. If a name is already used by someone else, that's okay. Profile names aren't unique, but adding a recognizable symbol or number can help distinguish you. And remember, changing this does not affect your account security or your login credentials. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.